Also today, a former Pasco police officer accused of murdering a Spokane woman 35 years ago. Ruby Doss's body was found near the old Playfair horse tracks in Spokane. Richard Aguirre was previously charged with her murder. That was back in 2015. Charges were dismissed, though, in 2017 because of a lack of evidence.
Well, he's being tried again for the murder because Spokane County prosecutors believe they have evidence now needed to convict him. A trial is winding down. Today, attorneys gave their closing arguments.
So Richard Aguirre is charged with first-degree murder charges for murdering the 27-year-old woman back in 1986, according to prosecutors. Our Amanda Rowley is sharing now what happened in court today. Amanda?
This morning was the last chance for attorneys to convince the jury that Richard Aguirre is either innocent or guilty of murdering Ruby Doss. His fate now lies with the jury.
Attorneys spent 6 days presenting evidence and witness testimony to a jury in the Richard Aguirre murder trial. Today, both sides gave their closing arguments. The state argues the victim, Ruby Doss, was in the fight of her life and that she died at the hands of Richard Aguirre.
Was she already dead when he left her? Or was she in the process of dying? Whichever is the case, it's the actions of this man that ended her life.
But Aguirre's defense attorney says if he was the killer, his DNA would have been all over the victim, not just on the condom found at the scene.
You can't be in a fight without leaving DNA on somebody. So, they're desperately looking. Purple leg warmers, red leg warmers, blue socks, white socks, underpants where there was DNA found, not Mr. Aguirre's.
The prosecutor acknowledges there was unidentified DNA in the victim's waistband, but suggests an explanation for this.
Well, she reluctantly sold sex for a living. We have no idea when the DNA got onto her waistband, but we do know when that condom was left there, commensurate with the time of her death.
Still, the prosecutor maintains Aguirre acted with intent and murdered Doss when he did not get what he wanted. Then he tried to cover up the evidence at the scene. The jury is now deliberating if the evidence convicts Aguirre of this murder.
Now, Aguirre is charged with first-degree murder, but the judge gave instructions that the jury could decide on a lesser charge, including second-degree murder or first-degree manslaughter. Of course, we'll keep you updated on when the jury reaches a verdict. Amanda Rowley, KREM 2 News.